Okay, POV, you're a brand new skater. This is your first time at the skate park. Let's go. So I wanted to do this video and cover the rules of the skate park because it's funny, because I was thinking to myself, if you're a brand new skater and you just started, what is confusing? What do you not know? Of course, there's a lot of questions you could have about the equipment. I'll make a whole series covering that. But also, there's a lot of questions about the skate park. And I thought it was really funny because almost every skate park has this giant list of rules. And I just found a slappy curb over there. That's super sick. But okay, list of rules at the skate park. So I wanted to go to what I would consider the most average skate park. Yeah, were you recording? It's okay, we got your dance in there. Maybe this is like the most like normal, average, random skate park there could be. And look at this list of rules, skate park rules. Brrr. All participants, that probably said must, which is scratched out, which is kind of funny and perfect for the point that I'm gonna make in this video. All participants must wear a helmet, knee pads and elbow pads, California Health and Safety Code section 11580001B. I should actually look that up and do some research on this. Anyone failing to do so will be subject to citation under regulation section 29 of Hard Ordinance number 001-70. I think it's interesting because should you wear a helmet when you're skateboarding? Yeah. Am I a hypocrite by saying that? Yeah, because I don't wear a helmet, right? I didn't grow up wearing a helmet. I never grew up wearing a helmet, but I teach a lot of people how to skate and I tell them, wear a helmet. It's smart to wear a helmet. The reason I don't is I'm so used to not having a helmet on that sometimes I'll go to a skate park that requires mandatory helmet and I put it on and then I hurt my ankle. Okay, I'm really gonna think about this statement before I make this. I don't believe in my 30 years of skateboarding I've ever hit my head. But now we should look through all the videos. If you know of a video where I fell and hit my head, leave it in the comments below. But I don't recall, maybe it's I don't recall because I'm an idiot and I hit my head and I don't remember, but I don't remember hitting my head. But for a brand new beginner skateboarder, you must wear a helmet. It is mandatory. It's very, very important. In fact, one day my wife is at the skate park and I'm teaching her how to ride down this little ramp. And she's doing it and she's doing great. And I said, babe, please put on a helmet. And she was like, no, I'm not putting on a helmet. And then like 3 tries later, wham, she hit her head really hard. And then I was like, I told you to please wear a helmet, please, please, please. Helmets are very important. So yes, must wear a helmet. But what I think is interesting about that is the second you try and give a skateboarder like, you have to do it this way. We're like rebels by nature. Like when I grew up, it was like all the kids did was play football and basketball. And I was like, I'm not doing none of that. I'm riding a skateboard. It's a very rebellious nature type of thing. So if you tell me you have to wear a helmet, I'm not gonna wear it. But I'm telling you guys, wearing a helmet is smart. But they're saying that you're gonna get a citation. I will skate here all day with no helmet. Nobody's coming to give me a citation. I better knock on wood because watch, I roll and do a kickflip and then the cops come and tackle me and take me out. Okay, this is a non-supervised facility. Skate at your own risk. Okay, that's just a statement. Makes total sense. I get it. Please keep noise to a minimum. That is quite literally impossible. Skateboarding is loud. Listen to this. I guess the screaming maybe could be kept to a minimum. Please keep noise to a minimum. No amplified music. Okay, I got that. Allowed, including radio and boom boxes. Hard Ordinance number 001-02, section 23. I have no idea what this means. HARD ordinance, some California thing, I guess. Smoking, drugs, or alcohol are strictly forbidden in or near the skate park. Okay. I did not expect to go into this in this video, but I'm going to. I do not think there should be drugs at the skate park ever. This is a place where people go to learn how to do a sport. It's fun, it's active, and sometimes this gets equated with, oh, I use drugs. I think that is incorrect. I think that is not cool. I don't think you should use drugs. I do not think drugs help you learn to ride this. I don't think they help make you a better skateboarder. And there's a lot of misinformation, false information about drugs specifically relating to skateboarding that don't do it. I personally do not do drugs. I don't think you guys should do drugs. I don't think drugs have any place at a skate park, or alcohol. It doesn't belong here. This is a skate park. This is a place where people should go to be able to have fun. And if you're doing drugs there and other people smell your drugs, or they're blowing the weed smoke all over the skate park, come on. You're ruining another person's ability to come to a park and have fun. You can do that somewhere else if you're gonna do it. Don't bring it to the skate park, please. No glass, food or drinks allowed in the skate park area. Place trash in the receptacles provided. The second I said that, I just got the image of myself with a glass skateboard dropping in. So what can I say? I'm a hypocrite. I brought glass to a skate park and did that. I think that's kind of a funny rule, but also I'm gonna agree with this rule, no glass, please, because this is what's gonna happen. You're out here and then somebody throws a glass bottle, smash, it breaks, and then somebody else comes along, they're skating, they fall and hit the glass. And now instead of just falling, which already hurts bad enough, you're gonna hit and get cut by glass. Not cool, no good, no way. Do not use this facility if hazardous conditions exist. Report any danger or hazardous conditions to HARD at 510-881-6700. Okay, just walk with me for a minute. Let's see if there's any hazardous conditions. Now I'm really interested. I was thinking, this is a video for beginners. Now I'm thinking, we're on to something here. I'm really fascinated that they actually have a phone number there. Look at this. So, I don't even know what material this is. It's supposed to be like a sort of waterproof masonite type situation, but it is an ending right there and it's peeling up. That is a hazardous condition, and also that is not good either. Somebody could drop in. I think that crack is okay. It's okay, but this is not good. That's not safe. It is not safe. Somebody could fall, hurt themselves very badly. So this brings us to what does the sign say to do? I don't know why, I just think it's so funny, because it's almost, you should have rules. There should be regulations. And there are some things that I brought up, like the drug use, etc. But it's funny because skateboarding has no rules. It's kind of one of those things. Hayward Area Recreation and Parks District. That is sick. Okay, vandalism and graffiti will not be tolerated. Protect your skate park. Report all violations, graffiti, vandalism, and maintenance issues to HARD. I agree with this. They make a skate park. They make it how they want. It should be just how they want. If they want to hire an artist to come, and they could even hire a graffiti artist to come and do some graffiti on the ramps, they should do that. That's awesome. But if they don't come and just graffiti the ramps. It's not your space. You do not own the skate park. It is a public facility. Let the Parks and Recreation Department of your city, Hayward, Los Angeles, wherever you're at, let them decide how to color, paint, etc. the ramps, okay? Formal contests and organized events are not permitted without HARD permission. This is fascinating. It's super fascinating. I guess, what if we want to come here and do a game of skate contest? What if I want to come here and do a contest for kids, teach them how to skateboard, and the winner gets a prize? I have to go through there? I mean, I guess that's okay. That's an organized thing. I guess that's good, because I don't really have anything against that. I think it's kind of a funny rule, though, you know what I mean? Skate with care and consideration of others. 100%. I completely agree with this 100%. In fact, in a park like this, one thing you should know and be aware of as a beginner is people generally are going in this direction. So you're gonna drop in there and go that way or that way. So if you're learning how to do flat ground tricks or just learning how to push, don't do it going this way. You can kind of see the flows of any park as you go in. This park is very much so flowing like this. Here and there off of this ramp. I mean, honestly, this ramp's kind of sick. Just a flat. And the flat ground here is quite nice. I should actually come here to skate flat ground. It's better than the other skate park we were at. Skate with care and consideration of others. I did make another video about skate park etiquette that includes waxing the obstacles and various things like that. If you have questions about it, you should go watch that video. Alterations of the skate park elements are not permitted. Okay, this one, it's like a debatable thing because, you know, you could put a garbage can up and jump over it. Is that an alteration? Or you could put a rail on top of there that's movable. Is that an alteration? Maybe, maybe not. But I understand also, like, they made the ramps to work in a very specific way. They should work that way. And you could make the ramp that might be safe for you because you know what you're doing. You could make it really dangerous for somebody else. So I agree with this rule. Additional obstacles or other materials may not be brought into the skate park area. Okay, again, kind of the same thing. And then the last rule, the favorite and best rule, have fun and be safe. Have fun and be safe. So the whole point of skateboarding is to have fun. It's kind of a funny thing because should there be some rules? Yeah, as skateboarders, we're very inclined to just like break those rules, exactly like I said, like with the helmet thing. But yeah, a skate park should be a place where anybody can come and learn to skate and learn new tricks and not have anything else like forced upon them. It's for this. It's about riding this thing, learning new tricks, overcoming your own physical and mental barriers. This piece of wood with wheels gives you good exercise. There's many reasons to do this, many reasons to get out there and learn how to kickflip, and you should have a nice place where you can go and enjoy yourself. So I think it's really funny because I've been skateboarding for over 30 years. I go to all kinds of different skate parks. I never even think, it's not even a thought that crosses my mind, let's look at the rules of the skate park. You know what I mean? Most of it just boils down to pure common sense. Even things that I agree with, like bringing obstacles in because you can make it dangerous for somebody else. I still think like, okay, we're skateboarders. We're gonna do things that are creative. Part of this is that you wanna get creative and do new things, new obstacles to learn or try something new, you know what I mean? And you have to be able to, in order to have fun, sometimes you got to mix it up. So there you go. I thought it was an interesting subject to cover the skate park rules. And I feel like there's some unspoken rules at the skate park. I did cover some of these at the skate park etiquette video. But like a rail like this, if you're brand new, you're probably not going to be skating this at all anyways. But don't come up and just wax this thing. Too much wax. If somebody else is skating it, ask them, do you mind if I wax the rail? Or, you know, you want to be in communication with the other people at the park. Another good point of advice, because there's a lot of you guys that are getting older, like me, in your 40s. Shout out to all the dads out there that are 40 or in your 30s or 40s learning how to ride a skateboard. You guys are the best. If you want to go to the skate park and have it to yourself, go early in the morning. I don't know what it is, but the skateboarders, they do not waking up early. If you go early in the morning, it's almost 100% chance guaranteed you are gonna have the place to yourself. Right now it's not early in the morning, but nobody's here anyways. I guess the skate scene in Hayward needs a little work. The other thing that I think is cool is when you get good and you learn some tricks and somebody else is at the park, help them out. Start a little club, start a crew, start getting people going to the skate park and get it going. Make a little like group out of it, you know what I mean? Have some fun and make it work. All right, guys, I'm dying to know if you have any other questions about skate parks. What do you think about the rules that I went over? Do your skate parks have rules? Do you think it should be mandatory and everyone should actually get a ticket if they don't wear a helmet? Leave it in the comments below. Please let me know. I'm dying to see what you guys think. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.